Hello everyone, so in this video we just want to share how actually the climate control works in our system 9-inch touchscreen upgrade for Toyota Prado 150 series, Altitude, VX or KAKADU. Only those three models. We are not referring to the GX or GSL in this case, only Altitude, VX and KAKADUs. So in this case you see that on the screen it has 9-inch and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And now if you press the button, any button on the factory air conditioner bar, then it will quickly bring up the climate control screen over here. Okay, and from here you can touch screen to control anything for the climate control that you see on the screen, including temperature, position, rear, front, and changing inside, outside, AC and yeah, all sort of thing. Okay, so that's about the thing, and the same as you control from the hard bar, but actually it is on the screen, which is the full climate control on the touch screen. And that is what will be done in our system for the Altitude, VX or KAKADU. And this is the very good option, but if in case you don't want it, yes, you can tell us when we do the job for the car. So thanks again for watching and see you on the next one.